Hi everybody, today we are campfire cooking, making kid and family friendly recipes. And I'm with Ryan, who's the outdoor education supervisor with Three Rivers Park District. And Ryan, what are we cooking up today?
Today we're gonna make bacon and eggs, but we're gonna do it in a paper bag.
So how does this work without starting the bag on fire?
The key is the bacon grease. So we're gonna get the whole bottom of the bag coated with bacon grease so it's wet, and then the wetness won't allow it to burn.
All right, I'm ready. You ready?
I'm ready.
Here's your bag.
Okay, first thing you wanna do is you wanna get your bag opened up, and our goal is to coat the bottom of this bag with bacon. So I cut some bacon in half here, and I'm gonna lay that down in the bottom of my bag here. And that way, when it cooks, it will get grease all over the bag.
This is a delicate process.
It's tough to get that bacon to cover the bottom of the bag. All right, next step is we're gonna fold the top over. I'm gonna put 2 holes on here. And our goal is we're gonna put this bag on one of the roasting sticks. So we gotta get some holes in the bag. It's got a scissors here, and I'm just gonna kind of fold it over, make a little cut for a hole, make another little cut for the hole. We just wanna use those holes we've created and get our roasting stick through the bag.
There we go. I'm ready for the campfire.
Let's do it. So when we're cooking this, we wanna, make sure we get the bottom cooked so the grease of the bacon starts to coat the bottom of the bag. So be careful to not put it right in the flame. Put it more over the coals and just slowly cook it so that grease of the bacon starts to coat the bottom of your bag.
All right, and if it does catch on fire,
well, that happens. Just start over and try it again. That's the fun of campfire cooking.
always bring backup bacon.
Always.
Well, this is when you sing campfire songs
Exactly.
and do other stuff. Mine sounds like the bacon is crispy.
I think it's ready. So let's just take it off and give it a look.
Oh yeah, it smells delicious.
Excellent. I think we're ready to put in the egg.
Wood-fired bacon, let's add the egg.
All right, next step, we're gonna crack an egg and put it right on top of that bacon. So I'm just gonna do 1 egg, and some people like to scramble it, that's fine. I just like to crack mine right on top of the bacon there. Roll it a couple times and put it back on our stick.
And back on the fire. About how many minutes does it take to cook the egg?
It's gonna take a little while. You gotta be patient with this recipe. I would say it's gonna take another 5 to 10 minutes.
Sounds good. More campfire songs.
More campfire songs. So after you've cooked it for about 5 minutes, what I recommend doing is taking it off and just checking to see how your egg looks. And some people like it sunny side up, some people like it more well done.
Ooh, that is sunny side up.
Yeah, it is sunny side up.
Oh yeah, that looks perfect. Ready for a bite?
I am.
I am too.
All right.
We worked for it.
Excellent.
So good.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Ryan.
You're welcome.
Another family-friendly campfire recipe. So creative.
Thanks. There we go. Nice job.